Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. In today's video, we're going to be removing and installing an Evap canister purge valve on a Ford 3.5 liter Ecoboost. This information will be applicable to the Ford F150, Ford Expedition, and the Lincoln Navigator. Before we get started, we want to make sure that the transmission is placed into park, the vehicle is turned off, the engine is cool, battery negative clamp is disconnected and isolated from the battery, and that the tires are chalked. We will need to gain access to the purge valve, so the engine cover will have to be removed. It's held on by two nuts at the front there. Once they're removed, the front of the cover pulls right up, and then you pull the cover right out. Once the cover is removed, you have a straight shot to the purge valve. Now, this purge valve does not have to be disconnected in any particular order, but we'll start at the front here just for simplicity. You'll notice that it has these weird green clips that hold the hose to the nipples. They're easily enough removed by spreading the legs out just a little bit and then pressing them back. Once they're pressed back, you can pull the hose right off of that nipple there. Go ahead and unhook the two hooks from the Evap purge valve hose. Then disconnect the hose from the side of the purge valve. It has the same style green clip, locking clip on the side there. Spread the legs out just a little bit, push the clip back, and then slide the hose right off the nipple. Same thing on the rear of the purge valve is exactly the same, just from a different angle there. You can't see what I'm doing, but the same process is taking place. Then push the hose back, disconnect it. You have a electrical connector with a white locking tab going to the back of the purge valve. Unlock the lock by sliding the white clip back. Push in on the locking tab and then disconnect the electrical connector. Slide the purge valve straight up off of the blade. Take your new valve, slide it right back onto that blade we just took the old valve off of. Slide it down all the way, make sure it's secure. Reconnect your hose. Now when you reconnect the hose, you'll notice that there's a rib on the nipple. You want to make sure that the hose is pushed down on the nipple far enough past the rib where when the green locking clip is pushed in, it locks onto that rib. Reconnect your electrical connector. Make sure it clicks into place, give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Then push forward the white locking tab, locking it into place. Reconnect the hose on the side of the purge valve. Be sure to get it down past that rib. Push in the locking clip and make sure it's secure. Reconnect the hooks to the purge valve hose. And finally reconnect the hose at the front there to the intake manifold nipple. Get it past the rib. Push in the green locking clip. Be sure it's secure, make sure it's locked in. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you will need to reinstall the engine cover. Be sure to put the two nuts at the front of the engine cover to secure it, and reconnect your negative battery clamp on the battery. And you may have to erase codes once you're done and check for proper operation. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify. That's where I do that. And also, please read the disclaimer at the very end of it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.